will be here for 2 minutes, 30 seconds, and then on to Frontierland. Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Again, welcome aboard at Walt World Railroad. Now, for those of you who just joined us, I do need to remind you that for your safety and the comfort of others, folks, please no eating, smoking, or drinking while on this train. And folks, if you're traveling with a young child, for that child's safety, please put him or her to the center of the car with you, the adult, to the outside. This train does tend to want to rock left to right a little bit, folks, and we don't want any accidents. Of course, it goes without saying that if you, the adult, are acting like a child, then you put yourself in the center of the car. All right, folks, we've just been given clearance for motion, so please, folks, no more changing of seats at this time. All right, folks, there's my two guest conductors. How about a big round of applause for these kids way back here? Come on, I want to hear it all the way back here. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, folks. There's no need to overdo it now.
What you want?
Howdy, folks. Welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad. We're now beginning a grand circle tour around the Magic Kingdom with stops at Frontierland and Mickey's Toontown Fair. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please, watch your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
It almost looks like the thing for a zoo at Jurassic Park.
Hey, stop the music, fellas, so we can hear. Sounds to me like you're traveling through the wilds of Adventureland, where you just might run into a lot of savage birds out there, including lions and tigers and zebras. Everybody best be on the lookout. You never can tell when a mangy lion or a red-faced tiger might show up.
Oh, yeah.
Now we're entering Frontierland, home of Tom Sawyer Island, those silly singing country bears, and the wildest ride in the wilderness, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Just ahead is Splash Mountain, but don't be letting appearances fool you. This mountain is home to the highest, wettest, fastest waterfall in these parts. What a place goes miles around. Please stay seated till the train comes to a complete stop. And watch your step when you get off. For those of you continuing on with us,
Folks, please, okay, we are now all clear. Welcome. welcome to Frontierland
This
Station.
is Frontierland.
We'll be here for 2 minutes 30 seconds and then on to Mickey's Toontown.